Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on dogs. Your daily updates, and dogs is actually pumping right now, so there's enough to talk about. We'll do a full update. I'll tell you whether I am buying dogs right now, just in general, my plans, my strategy, and a full update, all right? Because at least as dogs is saying, claiming is going very, very fast at this point of time. A lot of people have been able to claim their tokens and have been able to claim their airdrop in the last 48 hours, which is a good thing. I still think fundamentally the communication of dogs is not great, all right, and is subpar. But at least people actually got their airdrop now. It took some time, but still we're underway. And that's also what we talked about yesterday, that was probably going on with the dump we saw as well over the course of Tuesday, so 2 days ago. And earlier today, we actually got a bit of a pump. So that's the main thing I want to talk about, of course, because what I always said and what I have always said in my videos and what I have always said that I would wait for in terms of when I would buy dogs is some sort of a pump. And so far we have gotten a pump, but honestly, I am not convinced yet. And I'll tell you why, all right? Because what we saw earlier this morning is news coming. That Binance Futures will launch dogs USD coin margined, perpetual contracts with up to 20x leverage. This is bullish, but I don't think it's that bullish. All right, it's so what I'm worried for right now is, all right, we actually do see some real momentum coming in, right? So this is the open interest, and what we said yesterday is that, you know, the open interest, which is basically momentum, is not really doing anything. It's basically just kind of bouncing around here. That's what I said. And then this morning, we actually did see a nice momentum increase. So that's great, right? This is what you want to see if dogs is actually going to pump. Now, the reason why I'm not convinced yet is because I worry it's because of this news. And this news, even though at the first glance it looks very bullish, I don't think matters that much. So that's why I'm worried right now. Also, if you just look at the technicals, what I'm waiting for is a significant bullish breakout. And so far we have been able to pump relatively nicely. We spiked up a bit here, but we're still below the 236 fib of this entire move down. Which means that technically we are still bearish. Like if you look at the 4-hour time frame, does this chart look bullish to you? My answer would be no. And what I always said is that I do think dogs can pump, all right? DWF Labs is behind it. There's a huge community around this. So there's a huge incentive for market makers and whales to pump this in order to make money. And you should know that as well, right? If this is going to pump, a lot of you are still going to lose money. So there's a huge incentive, but I'm not convinced yet. I would want to see, like ideally, I actually want to see a break above like 1200. When we break above the 200 EMA and the 382 fib and a strong resistance level. Otherwise, you always have that resistance level kind of hanging on top of you, which is always going to push the price down. So will I buy dogs at this point of time? No. I want more confirmation. If we break above 1200, then I will buy. All right. And then I also still do think that we have enough, there's enough potential then, right? Because then you can still get like a 20% move at the very least. And potentially, if we're going back up to the all-time high, a 40% move. I mean, that's enough. I can wait for now. I'm not convinced by the pump now. I think it looks more like a bull trap, and that therefore it's more likely that, you know, we might pump up higher, but that ultimately we will fall down. So I will wait. If we pump up higher today, and if we actually can continue this bullish momentum, then I'll buy. For now, I still think it's most likely it's a bull trap. Those are my thoughts, at least. All right. If you disagree, that's fine. Then buy dogs. It's up to you. But those are my thoughts and also the arguments as to why I think that. So yeah, if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos and bye.